Will TikTok get banned in the United States after all? Well, oral arguments are set to begin today in federal court. Lawyers for the popular social media app will make their case that the proposed ban passed by Congress earlier this year is unconstitutional. Fox News' correspondent Madeline Rivera has more.
TikTok and its China-based parent company ByteDance are set to face off against the Department of Justice in a high-stakes federal court hearing in D.C. on Monday. ByteDance has until January 19th to sell TikTok or face a ban in the U.S. Since President Biden signed the bill into law in April, the social media company has called it unconstitutional, adding it singles them out. In a June court filing, they laid out the lengths they say they went to try and mitigate national security concerns. They also insist that separating TikTok from ByteDance is impossible. And even if it were doable, they say the app would be, quote, reduced to a shell of its former self, stripped of the innovative and expressive technology that tailors content to each user, unquote. The Justice Department maintains the Chinese government can use TikTok to gain access to the personal data of Americans. It accuses the company of downplaying national security risks. In this filing in July, they say TikTok's arguments that it cannot be divested from ByteDance underscore Congress's concerns that its U.S. operations are ultimately subject to the direction of a Chinese company subject to Chinese laws. About 170 million Americans use TikTok. Those users include the Harris and Trump campaigns, who are using the platform to reach young voters. But the law has received bipartisan support.
I'm pretty happy about the TikTok law. I don't know how everyone feels about it, but I think it was a great thing to stop the Chinese Communist Party from influencing our elections, or at least attempting to.
President Biden could extend the deadline to sell TikTok by 3 more months if a sale is in progress. In Washington, Madeline Rivera, Fox News.